Today's morning move was in the Euro Yen and the German DAX. We managed to bank £427 profit before 8:30 a.m. this morning. Let's dive into the trades and show you exactly what I was looking for. Let's dive into these charts. First one's here, Euro Yen, but let's look at the account first, guys. So first trade, Euro Yen out at 7.39 on this one. Second trade, German DAX, and then third trade here, once again, the Euro Yen. I exited the trade at 8.26 on that for about £180 profit. So let's look at the reason why I was getting short these markets and the strategy. So first things first, short in this area here. That was the first one. In, out really quickly, turned green very quickly on the Pro Trade system. And then the next one was the red side trade all the way down here. Look, there's no doubt I could have maximized more on this trade. And then we got another red sell signal here. And then it started to give us this divergence that flagged up this morning here. So I wasn't interested in trading any more of that, to be honest with you guys. Once it gets beyond 9 a.m. for me, the doldrums have kicked in and I'm looking for the exit. I'm done for the morning. Now, the reason we were looking for the short side, and I think it's really important, well, I know it's really important that you do your prep before you start day trading. This was the Euro Yen daily chart. The red on the storyteller here, red pro trading system, red tracks into a Fibonacci selling zone for us. All right. So we knew it was bearish around here last night when we did our Scan Club prep. So today, just all about getting the triggers. And we got the trigger. First one was decent. Then the second one was really good and a nice whoosh to the downside. Okay, let's take a little look at the German DAX and that trade as well. Now, this was more of a red pro trading system already here. Okay, so the trade was taken in this area here to the short side. Now, right on the open, now the US market, the DAX, the European markets, FTSE, they get that injection of volume at 8 a.m. in the morning, London time. And this was that candlestick right here. So I knew I was already going to get red short side signals and I was going to short that market, no doubt about it. It started to push up here on this dark red candlestick. And suddenly we got this light red candlestick. We're already in the sell zone situation where we're already red, and I shorted it as it broke down on the 8 a.m. candlestick. Now, the thing is here, and there's a bit of a learning that needs to go into this for you. This literally, if you saw it in real time, it whooshed down so fast that I managed to exit that trade. Now, this comes with years of experience, and I'm passing it on to you, for you day traders that are new in the market. If a candlestick goes really fast in one direction, very, very quickly, like a big, you'll see it. Look, for over here on the right here, it's really slow. Okay, we're in the doldrums now. If it explodes higher, that's not the time to buy it. If it explodes down, it's not the time to short it because you're going to get that bounce back. It sucks everybody in. So when it dropped down here very fast, I'm just banking profits, okay? Just bank the profits. And then as it rolled back over here, we got some more downside and then it started to shift into the green side, okay, here. So you could have had a nice long trade in this area here. But look, you know, the markets are bearish at the moment. Short side trades are working really nicely. Long side trades are just sluggish, okay? So decent day. Look, guys, it's 8:30. What more could you ask for? Just make sure you're managing your risk in these volatile markets. We'll do another video update tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But £427, 8.26, that's another day's profit. Just keep on adding to the account. We're going to get some big multiple £1,000 trades. The DAX provide us with a good 12 grand trade on Sunday night on the gap down. These day trades we're just adding to the account, just building positions, just building the account up and up and up. So you can do whatever you want with it every month. You can withdraw those profits if you want to. If you're using it in a funded account, you can pass those funded accounts assessments. If you're using it in a spread bet account where you want to take the money out every month, you can do that. But what we're doing at the moment in the trading room is we're just being careful, managing our risk, making sure we're following the color method, but with crucial risk management. All right. Hope it helps, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.